Alright everybody, so it's B4L Dad here with B4L Cam Man, and we've been hearing some weird noises and stuff out here. Over there is the creepy building that I found the kitties in, so we're gonna decide to explore here. Go for that big stick. See, something's going on around here. That's a giant stick. See what we can find. What do you think we're gonna find, Camden? Those are kind of some weird noises. Huh, buddy? Chipmunk?
Bruh.
There's nothing back that way. I mean, where's our shed? Come over by this creepy building again. There's nothing there. All kinds of weird noises. What do you think about being out here at night? There's that other really creepy building. Stop, buddy. Wait, did you see something? There it is.
Bruh.
That's what's been making the noise. Run!